ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಏನಿದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. This is for IMTEX. So here we can see all the participants going for IMTEX. So we can talk to some of them, check their inputs, what they are expecting from this very event. That's what we want to ask them. भाई बताइए क्या किसके लिए आप इधर आया है? ये IMTEX के लिए? ओके, ये फ़ोन करता है, आपको बता सकता है? हाँ बताइए क्या करने के लिए आया है IMTEX में?
IMTEX में हम लोग आए हैं।
वेरी गुड, बताइए, जोर से बताइए।
स्टॉल है, सब देखने
आया है। ओके।
और हमारा जो कंपनी है 7 आदमी का,
ओके,
उसके लिए जो चीज़ है वो खरीदने के लिए और बनाने के लिए मशीन है जो।
वेरी गुड। आपका नाम क्या है जी?
इग्नेश भाई मुंगरा।
आपका कंपनी का नाम?
विंसन मेटल।
आप कितने आदमी लाया है? 7 आदमी। वेरी गुड। हिज टीम मेंबर्स आर हियर, वी कैन सी। एंड यू आर लोकेटेड, किधर से आया है आप? गुजरात जामनगर। मोदी बाई का स्टेट से आया है। सो बहुत ज़्यादा करने के लिए वो आया है। ओके, हमारा ही इज दे आर ऑल फ्रॉम इंडियन। Okay, I will tell. They are all from Prime Minister Modi's land. So the point is that I am very happy. They are very proactive, and we'll talk to some other companies also. You are from which company, sir? Can you tell how you are looking at the opportunity at IMTEX? What you are expecting?
But have to go and have to check.
Okay.
Yeah. And
what is your good name?
Rajesh.
You are from which company?
Kabul Snap.
Where is it located?
Near to Hudi.
Okay.
Yes.
So from your company, how many member team you have for come?
We had already have a stall there.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Okay.
And, we're going there and
very good. Great to know that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Right. Sir, what is your good name? Prasad. You are from which company?
Universal Products.
Yeah. So you are going for this IMTEX event, na? So what are your expectations from IMTEX? What you are expecting from there?
The crowd will be there. The reputation will be there.
Pardon?
Good reputation will be there from customer.
Okay. So your company has set up a stall there?
Yes.
Okay. So your colleagues are already there at the venue, correct? No? Okay. Where is your office located? Penia. Okay. From Penia you are going there. Very good. Hi sir. I am Vijay Kumar from the NFA Post TV. NFA Post TV. I want to know what is the primary reason you are going for this IMTEX event, and tell about your background, your name and company.
Yeah, myself Sanjay Patel. I'm from Ahmedabad and I'm working in Rakers Fiber Laser.
Okay.
To know about the sheet metal industry and exploring the new technology like 3D cutting and additive manufacturing.
Very good.
Like new technology.
Okay, so you are the only person from the company?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so when did you reach Bangalore? When did you reach here, Bangalore?
Yesterday night.
Yesterday night. So how many more days you will be here?
3 days.
3 days. Okay, great talking to you. Wish you all the best for this very event.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. What is your good name?
Hi, Srinivas
Srinivas. You are from which company?
from Saturn Industries, Whitefield.
Oh, Saturn Industry. He's from Saturn Industry, Whitefield. Tell me, what is your expectation from this very event, sir?
We want to procure some machineries. We are
Okay.
looking for new technologies.
Okay.
So what is available, we want to go for the best. So we are looking at options.
Okay. So how many member team from your company right
Three
now?
are here. Me,
Oh,
my
you
boss,
three.
and,
Who is your boss?
Last.
Oh, very good, great. So we will talk to the boss. And here, what is his expectation?
I'm Dinesh.
You're
I'm the
Dinesh?
managing director of Saturn Industries.
Oh, very good.
We are looking. We do for aerospace industries sheet metal component.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we are exploring some new machine, new technology for sheet metal fabrication.
Okay, sir.
For aerospace.
Okay. Have you set up any stall here? Do you have any?
No, not at last. The aerospace and defense exhibition, we have set up our stall there.
Oh, very good.
This time we don't make any machinery.
Okay.
We make spare part for aerospace.
All right.
Yeah.
So what is the order pipeline that you have with you right now?
We have a lot of sheet metal components in order and aluminum extrusions.
Okay, very good.
We have it.
Who are your major clients, sir?
Major clients are Collins Aerospace
Okay.
and Safran by HAL.
Oh, very good, fantastic. Wish you all the best from
Thank you.
India, and also from for the Make in India initiative, which our Prime Minister envisioned.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
Modi has come today.
Yeah.
Going.
Right. It's great journey so far. So these are all the people who are driving the manufacturing sector in India, and the Prime Minister's mission to make Indian economy a 5 trillion economy at the earliest, and then a global superpower, and they are all amplifying his vision. And we should be thankful to all these gentlemen who are in this bus, who are attending IMTEX. Thank you one and all for talking to the NFA Post.